Sunday evening. We are here at the shop at Junk Monkey Kitchen. And if you've been following our vlog for a while, you guys know that I am a creative, I'm a painter, and I'm married to a chef. And so hence, this YouTube channel is a little bit of both, and we're just happy that you guys are here with us. So if you follow me over on Facebook at Junk Monkey Paint Company, you'll see that just last evening I was on there live and I was opening a bunch of happy mail that you guys have sent in. If you missed it, go back because I got some pretty cool things. Since we're filming here at the shop and we don't have all the usual kitchen utensils, you guys know, if you're following us, that we go out and we're picking up little bits here, little bits there, and bringing it all together. I'm happy to announce that because of you guys, we now have a monkey peeler. Like, look at that. Cannot wait to do a recipe that involves the monkey peeler. So you're gonna see this little guy hang out with us in the background. I positively love him. And as well, I mean, does it get any better than a strainer that has eyeballs? We always say that we are not the normal people. We are unusual people. We like the unusual. And this right here is the bee's knees. So thank you guys. When you send us in some happy mail, we will definitely make use and love on them. Yesterday in the vlog, you saw Matt start with a full fresh chicken. From there, he cut off some breast, and this is where we pick up today on today's vlog because we're gonna make some delicious, yummy chicken salad. So I have faith in him, but he has a plan of attack. So let's see what he does.
So these beautiful chicken breasts that we cut up. So we're just going to take these bad boys, I'm going to place them on this. You want to season these like so. Just salt and pepper. So I'm just going to cover this with foil and throw it in a 400-degree oven till it's cooked. I'm just going to do basic chicken salad. Basic chicken salad, and then I'm going to show you different things you can do with it real quick to make it your own. But this is a basic thing. You can have garlic or not have garlic. I personally am a garlic lover, so I kind of put garlic into everything. So I'm just going to throw that in there. So I'm going to cut up probably a 1/4 cup of celery. So we're going to throw that in there.
I like a little crunch in my chicken salad.
So I ran into a problem today with my celery. I'm going to give you a quick fix. If you ever pull out your celery and it's kind of flexible, you know, it's still green, but it's like flexible, just cut off the end of it, stick it in water. And in a couple hours, in cool water, in a couple hours, you'll have your celery back to normal. Really? Mm-hmm.
I remember those science experiments that you used to do when you put celery in, like, you know, a jar that had some food dye into it, and you would watch it suck it all the way up.
Yeah. Well, that's what it is your celery is dehydrating, so it's losing integrity, and it's unable to support its weight.
So it's not that it's bad or we should throw it out.
No, it just needs a little drinky drink.
Huh. So is this any particular kind of onion that you're using?
This is a, yeah, actually it is. This is because we have other onions sitting around that we need to use up. But this is just a super sweet onion. So we used basically a 1/4 of an onion because I love onion. Now I used, pulled out the chicken I took yesterday. So I'm just going to cut it into slices like so. And then I'm going to chop it super fine. To be honest with you, when I was a kid, there was some of you that are local remember Leaper's Market. They had the best chicken salad. Because what they would do is they would actually put it all together and puree it. And it was like a pate spread almost. But it was chicken salad, right? So there was no big long lumps of, you know, like shredded chicken in it like you get today in chicken salad. And I actually kind of miss that. So I'm not going to puree this, but I'm going to give this, you know, I'm going to chop this up a little bit to knock it down to size, to make it a little bit finer, because I hate the texture of some chicken salad when you get a big, huge, giant chunk of chicken and that's all you get. Chicken slathered in mayo, you know? So if I wanted a chicken sandwich, I would have had chicken sandwich, right? So you guys were wondering where the dip, dab came from. It's because of my many years in the kitchen. When I was bored out of my mind or I was really hating people, I'd have my headphones on going chop, 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 or choppy, chop, 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 chop. So that's where your dab came from. People thought I was just being goofy and silly. Trust me, it was the only thing standing between me and sanity during prep time in the many kitchens that I worked in. In the bowl, we have garlic, we have onion, and we have chicken and celery all mixed up. So this is where we go off the rails a little bit. If you really want to be out there, you can take the excess Thai peanut sauce that we made and mix it up there and make it a Thai peanut chicken salad. You can do that. You can make it Asian. From this point in, this is a blank slate for any flavors. You can add curry and coconut to it. You can make a curry coconut chicken salad. You can add grapes and nuts. We're going to go a little bit different. What I like to do that's different is I'm taking a little bit of horseradish. You can use any horseradish you want. This is just what I happen to have on hand. So I'm going to do roughly about 2 tablespoons, as now I'm wearing mayo everywhere, right? Hellman's, you just got all over your sleeve.
It's okay, it's a snack for later.
We're going to do a little pepper and a little salt. I like a little citrus in it too, so I just give a little squirty squirt of lemon juice, or use real lemon. I prefer. I just don't have it right now. You could use lime or whatever else you'd like. If you have ranch, like ranch dip, mix it up with this, throw in some bacon, you got chicken bacon ranch sandwiches. Take this and mix this all up, and instead of mayo, if you take a little bit of avocado and some truffle oil, you make an avocado truffle chicken salad, which is the bomb. So I love truffle flavors. So we need some more. So I'm throwing in there another tablespoon and a half of mayo. This is your fat. So people are asking about calorie intake. I really don't count calories. I never have. And I can tell you from restarting the keto diet here in the last week or so, I've already dropped probably an inch or so in my waist. I can tell because of the way my pants are fitting and things like that. So now we are working on presentation. And the Napa cabbage that we had yesterday is a perfect delivery system for the salad. We're going to get down inside of the Napa. One of our favorite things to do in a kitchen is going here in the thick part of the stock and cutting down, getting rid of all that thickness, right? And this really takes no time, but it gives you an excellent look to your friends and family that you know what you're doing while you're dieting, right? So all you do is take this in here, and it was made, look, this was made for chicken salad. So you take it, you wrap it up like so, boom, take. Here. I would also add some parsley into this too, just for some looks in the actual chicken salad, but right now I'm trying to use things that we just have on hand. There you go, a little bit of parsley, some colorful veg on the side, and you have a plate. The other way you can use your Napa cabbage to serve it is real simple. I know this is going to be hard and difficult, so please pay attention. This is advanced cooking, okay? You want to take your salad, and basically you have a little lettuce holder for your chicken salad. That's it. You can do the same thing. You take a pit out of an avocado. You can stuff it with chicken salad or crab salad or whatever salad you want to stick it with. Let's make it pretty. So we just go like this on top. Boom, boom, boom. And then, like I said, you got a pretty little plate display. And throw a little piece of parsley on there, and there you go. And the world is happy.
Now get the sample. All right, what should I taste test first?
Probably cabbage rolls because your doubt of the actual.
I know. I was
wraps.
like, we're not gonna do this in. We're not gonna do this with lettuce. I guess you could do it with lettuce too, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
But Matt's like, let's.
We
use
have the napa.
Really?
Yeah, it's very sweet. So.
Oh my gosh, that's really good.
No faith whatsoever.
This
is what I live with for 20 years. Are you sure? No.
This is where Matt says, "Do you doubt me?"
Yes, constantly.
Oh my goodness, Matt. It's so good. I've never thought. Like when I think of cabbage, I think of like putting, ground beef in there.
I wonder if everybody can hear my eyes rolling right now.
But this is such a mild flavor.
I told you, and it's sweet.
It is. I will never doubt you again.
Yeah, that's what you said the last 500 times.
It's just really good.
I told you. There you go.
Oh my goodness. Delicious. Okay. Winner, chicken dinner.
This is the part with the peppers that I said you can mix all this stuff together and it's going to taste great. Okay. So she's going to try it with a little bit of peppers on it. The bruschetta, the pepper bruschetta. There you go.
Oh, it's so good.
I told you. So you can actually add that directly into your chicken salad if you're making it.
Oh my goodness, yeah.
Yeah.
Like mix it in?
Oh, ye of little faith.
Oh.
All the time.
Matt, this is so
all
good.
The time.
And it tastes like completely different.
Yeah.
With that pepper,
Absolutely.
I feel like I'm again sampling something new.
You can make 20 different chicken salads with various ingredients you have laying around your house, and they'll all taste like a different meal. There you go.
You can add some bacon on here, like you were saying.
Yeah, bacon and ranch, and you have bacon ranch. Yep.
And then,
but make sure you check your carbs. Of course. Yeah.
You can do the boat thing too, right?
Yeah, the boat. And that's all she wrote.
I have never had cabbage in this way. I only thought about like romaine leaves or something.
Oh. When are you just gonna give in and just say, you know what, honey, you're right about everything?
So guys, dishes are done, everything's put away, and let me just tell you, supper was fabulous. So now it is that point that I get to announce a winner from yesterday. As you guys know, we put up a Junk Monkey Paint Company t-shirt up for grabs. You guys know what you had to do. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and then just throw in a comment below and talk back to us. And we do have a winner 22 hours ago, Melinda Camemere. Melinda, last name Kammerer. Writes to us, Sonia and Matt. This looks like another delicious keto recipe. Hello, thank you for sharing it. You are very, very welcome, and I can definitely promise you that there will be more to come. So Melinda, you know what you have to do. Email us within 24 hours at junkmonkeypaint@gmail.com as of the timestamp of this video when it is published here on YouTube. Otherwise, if we haven't heard from you in 24 hours, this offer, poof, turns into a pumpkin and disappears. So up for grabs today, hello, I'm Stencil Sonia, right? The creative in me loves to play with stencils. So I'm going to share with you guys a stencil. One of my favorite stencils from my stencil stash is up for grabs right here with some really pretty like Parisian Paris style writing onto it, a little Francais, a little French in your life. It's gonna be good. For somebody who would love to have this stencil, one person, of course, I'm gonna pick tomorrow. That's what happens here on Vlogmas. There's 25 vlogs all the way, every day, all the way till Christmas, and 25 gifts as well. And you guys know what you have to do. Once again, subscribe to the channel, like this video, and then leave me a comment below. So in your comment for below today, here is a question that I have for you, and you can answer. What would you add to your chicken salad to make it your own? Would you take any of the suggestions that Matt threw out today? Or perhaps you have your own? We'll be watching for your comments below. starting right now. Thank you for hanging out with us here on our channel, and we've also started a private special Facebook group for all of you guys that of course want to hang out with us a little bit more and maybe get your hands on some more keto recipes. If you go on Facebook and you type in the search bar, Monketo, get it? There's a monkey in there and there's keto as well, MONKEYTO. You're going to want to send a join request and we will let you in on the other side. And of course, if you are looking for Junk Monkey creative projects, DIYs, not just in the kitchen but around the home, you're going to want to find us on Facebook at Junk Monkey Paint Company, or we also have a sharing group as well on Facebook, and it is called Junk Monkey Paint Project, so you can find that free group as well. Alright guys, we are off, but we will be back again tomorrow. See you then. Bye!